Experiencing a black screen or no audio in your Seat Leon's infotainment system? These problems often stem from software glitches or, less frequently, hardware faults. Start by identifying the root cause. Black screens can result from corrupted software, display driver failures, or low voltage. No audio is typically linked to amplifier issues, firmware bugs, or speaker wiring problems. Before diving into complex solutions, remember that environmental factors like extreme temperatures can exacerbate these issues. For newer models, 2020 onwards, ensure your system has the latest over-the-air OTA updates. These updates, rolled out since 2023, often include fixes for common bugs. If you own an older model, pre-2019, be aware that Seat is phasing out support, making updates crucial. Also, try checking the SEAT app for integrated diagnostics. This app can help you check your system's health and perform remote resets. A modular infotainment matrix reset is often the first step in resolving Seat Leon infotainment issues. Start with a soft reset by pressing and holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary RAM issues without losing data. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the battery for 30 minutes. However, use caution as improper resets can lead to data wipes or ECU errors. For more complex issues or if resets fail, use an OBD2 tool with VCDS software to check for error codes. This helps diagnose deeper problems. Software updates can be downloaded from C8's official portal and installed via USB to address bugs and improve performance. If hardware is faulty, especially in older models, replacement costs range from €500 to €1,500, with some covered under extended warranties. Always seek professional diagnostics to avoid voiding warranties or causing further damage. For older vehicles, be aware that support may not be available after 2026. Also watch for cybersecurity risks, including potential remote hacks to the infotainment system.